Hi, this is Lisa from thecraftyworld.com, and today I'm going to show you how to create a single crochet washcloth. Begin by creating a slip knot. Now you want to cast on 26 stitches. To do this, simply pull the yarn through the loop. Continue until you've reached 26 stitches. You're now ready to begin the foundation row. In order to do this, insert your hook into the second stitch from the hook. You're going to wrap your hook around the yarn and pull through both loops. Continue through all the stitches. Continue until you finish the row. Now that you've reached the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Crochet single crochet stitches into the previous row. Simply go into the stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. 1 single crochet stitch completed. Continue working on your row. Continue until the desired number of rows are completed, making your washcloth exactly the size you'd like it. When you finish, you're going to create 10 chain stitches. Secure them into the third stitch from the hook. You will now cut your tail and weave it in. I usually go through 3 or 4 stitches to make sure that it's secure and that it won't come out during use or wash. You now have a cute loop that you can use to hang your washcloth from a hook or from a faucet to dry. And there you have a cute single crochet washcloth. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and checking out my blog, thecraftyworld.com, for more great tutorials. Thanks!